Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club, and we had another record week for the S&P 500 and Dow Jones. And before we do our weekly recap at the end, we'll start on a daily chart with the S&P 500, which issued a new green weekly trade triangle yesterday at 3,950.43, indicating that we are back in a long-term uptrend for the S&P 500, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 100. With green trade triangles across the board. Followed through today, was able to eke out some early losses, gained about 0.1% on the day, closing at a record close of 3,943.34. So we'll switch this chart to a weekly chart. Take a look, up 2.6% on the week, bouncing back after 2 straight weeks of losses with a small gain last week. Key level to watch moving forward will be 3,723.34. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Take a look at the US dollar, currently trading at 91.66, down about 0.3% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that overall we are still in a long-term uptrend for the US dollar. Key level to watch will be 89.68. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the dollar. Dow Jones triggered a new green weekly trade triangle at $32,009.64 on the 8th, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 100, indicating that we have green trade triangles across the board, and overall we are now in a long-term uptrend for the Dow Jones. Closed the day at 32,778.64, a new all-time record close for the Dow Jones. Key level to watch would be 30,547.53. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow Jones. The NASDAQ has failed to get high enough to trigger a new green weekly trade triangle, so our chart analysis score remains plus 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position. Was able to break a streak of 3 straight weeks of losses with a gain of 3% on the week, closing at 13,319.87. Key level to watch next week will be 13,757.06. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the NASDAQ. Back after 3 straight losses, weekly losses, trading at 1,722.90, up about 1.45% on the week. However, chart analysis score remains negative 100. Our key level to watch should be 1,732.40. A move above that level would give us a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term sidelines position for gold. Crude oil finally had a losing week after the last couple weeks, trading at 65.63, down about 0.9% on the week, just below 1%. However, chart analysis score remains plus 90, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for crude oil. Key level to watch would be 64.64. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. Back out of here, take a look at Bitcoin, up about 0.4% on the day. However, up about 14%, just shy of 15% on the week, trading at 56,975.75 with a chart analysis score plus 90, indicating that we're in a long-term uptrend for Bitcoin. Key level to watch remains 43,021. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. So with that, every success, have a great weekend, and I'll be back next week with a market update.